Hello, in this short training we're going to show you how to set up a very simple inquiry demo using Gravity Forms, and it will look just like this. So first thing we need to do is to go to our dashboard, and we're going to create a new form, or you can use the Add New button up here. Now remember, your form title can be used on the screen, so you may wish to be careful what you put there. As always, we'll start with a blank slate with all this useful information from Gravity Forms telling us what we can do. Well, the first thing I want to do is collect the data. So we'll start with the person's name, and we have a special field with Gravity Forms for that. So I just click there and it will be copied across. That's their name. I'd also like their phone number. So I'll click on that and that's across there as well. Now, the phone number is formatted for US standards. So if you're somewhere else in the world, you may want to change that to international. And the next thing I want to do is I want to give them a chance to put in their comment. So within standard fields, I want paragraph text. That will give them some room to type their inquiry. Now, I want to change that because that says entitled, untitled. So I'll change that to, and I'm going to have a description as well. And update the form. Okay, so we've got the name, phone number, message. That's good enough for me. Let's hit preview, make sure it looks good. Yep, that all looks correct for what I want. Please enter your message in the box. Is there? Yep, that's good. Okay, so that's stage one finished. Right, next, stage two, we need to look at the validation. Now, this form's not going to be any good if we can't return a call of the person. So what we need to do is to make this field required. And you may think as well that if we don't have a name, it's going to be difficult as well. So you may want to make this field required as well. What that means is that if I just hit the submit button now, I get a problem and I can see in red the two fields I haven't filled in, and I've got a message, this is required, this is required. So that's okay, but I still don't have a name. Now my message will be accepted. So the last thing we need is the actions following up the form being filled in. We need that in the confirmations. Just make sure I've saved it first. The system thinks I may not have done so. So confirmations. This is the message that is appearing at the end after they've filled in the form, which you can customize. remove the form preview, that's the message that comes here after the form has been filled in. You can, if you wish, alternatively, send them to another page. You may create a launch, a confirmation, a thank you page. You can send them, or a product page. You can send them onto a page instead, or a redirect. The redirect means you can not just send them to a page, you can send them to anywhere, even another website if you wanted to. But usually the message on the screen is good enough. The second thing about confirmation is we want somebody at our end to know that something's happened. And that's why we use admin notification. So that's the title of the email that's going to be sent. It's going to be sent to admin. You can have it blind copied to other people. And then down here, you can fill in a message, or you can leave it like this, which is effectively a catch-all situation. It will just send you an email, and in the contents will be all the fields that have been entered. But you still can add information to it if you want. And there are some other fields we can add as well. But that's usually enough for most people. Well, the last thing we need to do is we need to put the form on our website. We do that just by clicking the form button and choosing the form we've just created. Publish it, and we're finished.
For more info, visit wpbusinessclub.com.